Alright, this project is for Miss Ward's AFM class, 4th period. I am here to talk to you guys about the basic counting principle. And for starters, when you guys actually do this subject, please don't spell principle wrong, because that's wrong. Yeah, that's the first and most important point. Spell it right. Yes. The basic counting principle is the basis for all probability and odds problems in the math universe. Yeah, it's really important, and it's really simple, and I'm going to go over it just a little bit for you. It's actually quite simple. If there are X ways to do one thing and Y ways to do another thing. So, for example, there's right here a blue glove, an orange glove, and a purple glove, and then there's a pink pair of pants, a yellow pair of pants, and an orange pair of pants. Excuse my horrible drawing. And you want to find the total amount of different ways to do both, like combinations between, okay, so there's a blue glove and a pink pants, blue glove and yellow pants, etc., etc. This is the principle for you. It's really easy to figure out the number without having to go like, oh, there's blue, pink, blue, that, blah, 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 blah. And of course, this one is obviously just the answer is going to be 9. But it can be less obvious when you have more variables than just 2 different things. So if there are 3 different types of gloves and 3 types of pants, see we've got blue, orange, purple, pink, yellow, and orange. Pardon the yellow, it's kind of hard to see there. There are 9 different combinations of gloves and pants. But how are there 9 combinations? Because there's a formula for that. In general, if there is an X amount of ways to do one thing and Y amount of ways to do the other thing, the amount of ways equals X times Y. And of course you can add more variables onto this. So let's say there were more different clothing items you're trying to pick. Just do X, Y, Z, A, B, C, any number of ways. Just multiply the amount of each one and you'll get the amount of different ways that you can combine them. I did a little tree diagram here, like from the first page. From blue, you can have blue and pink, blue, yellow, blue, orange. Orange, you can have orange, pink, orange, yellow, orange, and orange. And then from the purple, you can have purple and pink, purple and yellow, purple and orange. And I listed those there, and of course there's 9 ways. And yep, it can be expanded too, more clothes, more fashion statements, stuff like that. However, look out, because this basic principle only works for things that are mutually independent of each other. I'll explain what this is in a sec. Let's say you're very obsessed with your outfit, like this person right here, fashionable. If it is said that you cannot buy purple gloves with pink pants, but you're also shopping for a numbered shirt with 1 to 4 on it, you must alter the whole process. Okay, so to do this normally, you've got three different kinds of gloves, 3 different kinds of pants, 4 shirts. It's very simple, just extended the formula. 3 times 3 equals 9, times 4 equals 36. 36 ways to do it. And now if we change it, we've got, to do this, because you cannot buy pink pants with purple gloves, we're going to separate this into 2 different equations. We've got the normal colors of gloves with no restrictions, which are the orange gloves and the blue gloves, and then we have the purple gloves, which have a restriction, and you can't buy the pink pants with them. So we do a normal one like this. Let's say there's just 2 pairs of gloves, 3 pairs of pants, 4 shirts, just like normal. We get 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24. And then for the restricted one, we have 1 pair of gloves, which is the purple gloves, 2 pairs of pants, because you can't buy the pink pants with them, and then of course this is the same 4 shirts. So we get 1 times 2 times 4, which is 8. So we've got 24 plus 8. So this means there are only 32 ways when that limitation is accounted for, as opposed to 36 without the limitation. Just isolate the option with limitations, in this case the purple gloves, do the math, and add up the 2 different fragments. And that is about it on the basic counting principle. The end.